Hello and welcome. You know, you guys have had plenty of tostadas, and if you haven't and this is going to be your first time, you're going to be super excited about it. I'm about to layer this into a double-decker. You're going to have some, your choice of protein, cheese, and then you're going to layer it up on the top. And once you crunch into one of these delicious quesatostadas, you're going to be in heaven. That's going to be a highly requested recipe in your house, because I know that my kids, whenever I don't want to make nachos, they're like, Mom, can we get the tostadas with quesadilla? And you know, they start getting into it. But today I'm going to show you how to make it and make it super easy for you guys, because I know that your time is precious and you guys are busy. So let's get on to it. You know, before we get started, I want to make sure that you guys have subscribed and you check your notifications, and then you can pick if you want me to pop up on your screen every time I upload or sporadically. So it's going to be up to you. And if you guys still aren't too sure if you're going to subscribe to me because I talk too much, I get it. So maybe tomorrow you change your mind. Now let's get on this recipe. My pan is on a medium heat with a little bit of oil. And what you want to do is you want to add your pre-shredded chicken. Woo! That's a fire today. You got the gigglies, so I like it. Biffed it.
I tripped over this, so I didn't fall. I caught
Were you recording?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. I don't know, guys. I might put it at the end depending if Cloud approves or not.
Oh, you will not.
All right, friends. So one of the great things about this is when I tell you guys I make a boiled chicken at least once a week. I shred it up and I have it in the refrigerator because it helps you for your recipes throughout the week. Either that, or you guys love the rotisserie chicken, you can use your rotisserie chicken for this step. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to add my seasoning blend, and you already know, you can find that in the description area. Oh yeah! So make sure to stir this around so that everything gets coated with that nice seasoning blend we have. And all we're looking for is for our chicken just to get warmed up. You don't want to crisp it up. You don't want any of that. You just want your chicken to warm up, so that when we use it for our next step, it's nice and warm and it's not overworking the process, okay? So while this warms up here for about 2-3 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and move it to the side to one of my burners, and we're gonna get started on our next process, which is super, super fun. And if it sounds like a party in my house, it's because it is. My babies are pumped up today. I don't know, guys, that full moon, new moon really got them worked up.
Me too.
Little wolves. That's probably why you've been so active, girl. And me, a moon child, I'm all calm about it. Just observing. All right, friends. Next step. I'm going to go ahead and check our canola oil. See if it's ready to fry. If you put your wooden spoon, a wooden chopstick, no metal, no plastic, and it bubbles on the outside like that, that means that your oil is ready. It's hot enough to fry exactly for what we need it. I also have this pan on a medium-low heat, so this is what we're going to do. You're going to dip it, spin it, and turn it gently, because you know how these tortillas, they've been tearing. Okay? We also need them to be flat, so I'm going to use my bean and potato masher to keep it nice and flat like this. There we go. Instead of Edward Scissorhands, I'm like Steph Kitchen Hands. Be very careful with the hot oil, friends. You know I worry about you guys. Why? Because I've burned myself several times.
Just don't touch your face like Edward did.
Girl, imagine. That'd be awesome. I'd have great scars.
Girl,
you know we love scars.
I know, but not that kind.
So all we're waiting for is our tortilla to get nice and crispy. So it should take you anywhere between 2 to 3 minutes depending on how hot your pan is and what kind of oils you're using. But again, friends, as I always say, make it comfortable for your home. You guys really don't need my approval. Probably my suggestion, but not approval. You know? No, you don't know?
You mean for changing up the recipes?
Yeah, for changing up your recipes. That's how we get so much variety, and I think It's great.
You never know what kind of cool thing you're gonna come up with when you change up the recipe.
I know that's, for me, I'm only a purist with tortillas. Other than that, I'm good. They're like, Steph, when are you gonna let it go with the tortillas? Okay, my tortilla is ready, nice and crispy. So for this part, you're gonna put your tortilla down. You're gonna add your cheese blend, and you're gonna find that with this one, mozzarella or any melty cheese with a little bit of the Mexican blend that I use. Like that, it's perfect. And then you're gonna sprinkle your chicken. Okay?
Oh, yes.
Yes, honey. So now, I'm gonna start with my other tortilla over here. Gently turn it. Let it fry a little bit. See, and that way your tortilla's hot, the pan's hot, everything's starting to melt. And this is the best way to make your quesatostada. And if you guys see, I'm just turning the tortilla enough so that I can keep it flat, or as flat as I can, to layer it on the top. So if you have some salsas that you like, you can add your salsa in here, and then you can do your other like tapatio, guacamaya, or cholula on the top. It's gonna be up to you guys.
Jalapeño slices.
Jalapeño slices, yes. So let me know in the comments what you guys are gonna fill it up with. You can do this without chicken, just cheese. It's still gonna work. Whatever your favorite protein is, should be good.
You look really nice today.
Oh, thank you, sis.
You're welcome.
Remember, in order to get a good crunchy crisp, a flavorful crisp, you have to have your oil hot enough. If your oil is lower because you're scared of burning it, it's gonna take a different flavor because it has to get in and get out. Okay?
Ooh, I can see the cheese melting.
There we go. And I mean, I've really messed with tostadas because I'm very particular about them. Eating burnt tostadas. Mom, if you're listening, I love you, but your tostadas, no. No, señora.
We make so much fun of you for like tostadas. When we see tostadas on the menu, we're like, no, don't do it. We don't let her eat tostadas in public.
No, it gets me worked up. The only tostadas that I do have are ceviche or seafood tostadas. I'm a fan of those.
Yep.
So I'm gonna get started on another tortilla here in the back while our cheese melts in here. That's all we're waiting for, okay? A nice melty cheese, and it shouldn't take that long. And these are the kind of recipes that you wanna serve for your family. Just like you would tacos. Boom, boom here, next in line type thing.
You got some chicken with you there.
Yeah, I did take some chicken in there.
Okay. Souvenir.
Let me take it out because it's gonna pop on me. And that's the thing, like if you have kids, you're like, oh, who listened to me the most today? Oh, you're in line first, you're gonna get served.
That works, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
You're encouraging positive behavior.
I'm working on it. Parenting is no easy task, but if you do it with love, it slowly comes together. You get like 3 bad days, and then you get a good week and a half until you have to parent again.
Or
like
3 bad years.
Yeah. You see? Okay.
Whoa.
I have it on a little bit lower. Another thing that's going to help you to melt your cheese if you're having a difficult time is just take it off. So we get it to stick nice. And you get a little bit of that crispiness you get like at the taco shop.
Oh, okay.
Y ahí estamos. Okay? That's nice. All right, I'm gonna move this to the side because my other tortilla is ready to come on over. Ooh, I brought some oil over. Hi.
Welcome, guys.
Getting some quesito. Desired amount. Chicken. Queso, eso. All right, friends, I'm gonna continue to do the same thing, and I'll see you in just a moment when I continue to assemble our quesatostada. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some mayo. I'm gonna smear that all around. If you have a lot of family members or you have a lot of family over that you want to feed, you can make these, set your oven at 175 degrees, and it's going to keep it nice and warm and crisp. Just make sure that your tortilla is crispy, because if you put a soggy tortilla or a soft tortilla in the oven, it's not going to crisp it up. Has to go in crispy. Now let's continue. Now on to some beans. Just like that. Okay. Boo boo.
That's my troublemaker. Let me go get him.
Now I'm gonna add some lettuce. Who's excited?
Me.
Ooh.
I love beans and lettuce.
Some tomato. Or if you guys are gonna do pico de gallo, go for it.
Now I'm really excited.
Oh, because I put the jalapeños?
That's one of my favorite chiles.
Yes, girl.
You can have it in drinks, desserts,
Yes,
food.
everything.
Just bite it on its own.
Okay, so now we're gonna put our avocado here. Woo! I was excited.
Maybe you need to give me a little bit more avocado and I'll be excited.
You think so?
Just a little bit more, like one
Okay.
more.
She wants it piled on, guys.
It's so beautiful.
There you go. Some queso cotija. Make it rain on there.
Yes. Guacamaya.
You already know.
Where can they find this?
Did you find one on the Amazon
I
store?
did.
Yes. Okay, if you guys haven't seen me, I love this hot sauce, guacamaya. Cloud linked it in the Amazon store, but you can check them out at your Mexican markets. Walmart might have it. You know, check your grocery stores. That'll work, but I really love the tanginess. It's not too spicy, and it's not sweet. It's just perfect. Yes. Now let's give this a taste. Okay, since this is a no judgment zone, I double-deckered my tostada. And Cloud and I will be taking a taste test at the same time. Ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. This is so good.
This is amazing.
And if a double-decker bus to die by your side.
What a lovely way to die.
This is amazing. You want some more of those?
Girl.
Wow. Every day, all day.
So good, especially with agua fresca.
It's like this Quesatostada is telling me, here I am. Rock you like a hurricane. Okay, enough.
You're triggering me.
What? You ready to party, girl?
Because of my scream that I do after that song.
Yeah, I need to get a napkin.
I'll get it for
you
you,
guys
hold
can.
on.
Yes, yes, yes. I hope you enjoyed this Quesatostada, this double-decker crunch. I mean, honestly, you guys, if you guys have a birthday celebration, you make this for your kids, they're gonna be super happy, or any of your family members. Me, I'm more of like everything for my kids. That's why I always say it, but whatever's special and whoever's special to you, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And on that one, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.